Hi, how you doing?
Yeah, I'm fine. I hope you are doing great.
Yeah, even I'm doing great. So,
Yeah,
how is your life going on now with this all quarantine and thing?
yeah. But initial days were a bit difficult for me to cope up. But as the days goes on, and I was habituated like this, and yeah, it was going good only. And badly missing my college also.
What specially do you miss about your college then?
After mess, we'll roam here and there during walking times, and during class times also. I'm missing the teaching, each and everything I was missing. Yeah,
So, coming to your career,
yeah, yeah,
mostly? Yeah, you're telling
yeah.
something?
Mostly during walking times only I'm very much missing because we'll chit chat with the friends during walking time. So mostly that time was I'm missing very much. And yeah,
Okay, so coming to your career, how was your experience from your first interview and all?
yeah. So basically, like every human being, I come up with so many failures. But the first interview I was faced is Nextech Electronics company because so there it's a completely a technical sales company. They ask basically what is the difference between sales and marketing, each and everything. But according to me, I'm an electronics and communication engineer, right? So it was a bit difficult for me to answer, but in that particular time you have to use your intelligence, so the spontaneous is very important, and it was pretty much good. And because interview is you have to use your intelligence and you have to use your spontaneity, you use your straightforwardness in that answer. Like it will plays a major role while answering a particular question, so that HR will also get impressed with that answer. Yeah, it was pretty much good.
So, what do you think the freshers make mistakes in these? So, walk
uh,
according to you.
Yeah, according to me, freshers will definitely make on mistakes on particular thing. They'll definitely fear when an HR asks a question, or when a HR points a question to you. Definitely they'll fear, because as a human tendency, will definitely fear for anything, right? So and that too, it is the first interview that he's facing, means he's going to definitely face the fear, and spontaneity will little bit it will lack over there. And these are the two things mostly I can say for a fresher he will definitely lack of during the interview, fearness and the spontaneity.
So, what is your opinion about our training happened in the college? So, was it useful to you or not?
Yeah, I cannot say complete it is useful, but it depends upon the particular individual. But according to me, it's 25% useful for me, because basically I am the one who always wants to pursue my career in not in a technical skills way. So I want to pursue my career in a teaching way. So I think at that particular point of time I was thinking so instead of studying this very much hard, so it's better give just 25% hard work in that. So yeah, they definitely taught us very good way, but according to me it helped me at 25% only. But according to me, but for others definitely it will help 100% a lot. But as I can stick to one particular career, I've kept it in a lighter way, so that it is 25% helpful for me. Yeah.
Okay. Then, due to this lockdown, it will affect the career of many people. So, how
Yeah,
do you think it will affect the career of the coming year students then?
yeah, definitely it's not, because it cannot affect the career of the people, because so many online programs are going there, so that definitely we can learn it. And you are experiencing some Coursera courses, like, right? So definitely
Yeah.
career will not go in vain, because as the days goes on you will be learning so much technologies. But according to me, definitely career does not goes in vain. Yeah, it depends upon completely perspective of the individual. Yes.
Okay. So to the coming generation, like yeah, juniors. So, what
Yeah.
suggestions do you want to give? Like way to prepare, how to prepare, and how to do it?
Yeah. I was waiting for this question. Yeah. See, according to me, life is all about tragedies, mysteries, suspenses, and each and everything. And in this placement journey, you will face like sour, bitter, and you'll be discovering some different tastes like sweet, hot, each and everything. When you are in a failure phase, never ever take it personally, because as life goes on, there will be so many opportunities for you, so many, you will be facing some different experiences. But I can say you one thing, like you have to taste the experience of the failure at one time in order to enjoy the happiness of the success. Because if you can taste the failure only, you will get to know the value of the pain of the failure, and so that you will definitely while you are going for heights, it will definitely helpful for you. And second most important thing is, so basically each company has have a different rounds. Basically to reiterate, I can tell you like there are 3 rounds basically. So in each and every round there are different eliminations. So don't worry if you are eliminated in the first round, don't worry, because no human being is perfect. So at times we'll do mistakes, and use your intelligence while writing the exam. It might be a right thing or a wrong thing, use your intelligence, because no one is perfect, right? And yes, this is one of the most 2 important things I just want to say. So never ever take failure personally, because it will goes away. So according to me also, almost the first interview I had faced is, as I said, Nextech Electronics and Byju's, which is a very much important one. So my interview was held at 8 p.m. I'm selected at the first one. I was qualified at 2 p.m. but the interview was at 8 p.m. This 6 p.m. this 6 hours journey make me realize it that so to prepare how to answer a particular question to whatever the HR is asking. So each and everything I've prepared in this 6 hours, and that is the answer I was telling to each and every HR. So they are impressed with my answers. So better don't waste your time, use your time properly, and just spend half an hour a day to study like quantitative aptitude. Each and aptitude part plays a major role, right, for your qualifying the first round. So don't waste your time, just spend half an hour time, so that it will improve your knowledge, and at the same time you can enjoy a lot also. But spending half an hour time, it's a very very important one. This is one of the most 3 important tips I just want to tell you to new freshers.
Okay, I just hope that we all follow the same, so that
Yeah,
we can take the failures also positively and succeed further.
yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much, and thank you so much for hosting this interview.